Enjoy the view of this 2019 Toyota 86. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this sensuous 86. Its crisp, lean form speaks of its high-performance design geared to the enthusiast. Yet this sleek coupe is also a practical, affordable daily driver with modern safety features. Its corner-hugging suspension and paddle shifters bring exhilaration to every drive, whether on the track or on the way to the office. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, premium sound system, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, locking limited slip differential, leather steering wheel, stability control, rear-wheel drive. Heart-stopping excitement meets daily driver practicality in this stunning 86. Our expert staff will set up a test drive guaranteed to make your day.